Hey guys, Brad here, 96 Lawn and Garden Delivery Department. Hey, let me take you on a little trip here. It's just one delivery and 2 pickups, so I'll take you along with those. All right, quick return today. That hustler right there. Check that serial number, 148. That's it. Hey guys, first trip of the morning for me. It's going to be a quick trip. I'm going to take you on the whole trip. I got 1 to deliver and 2 to pick up, and they're pretty close. So, and then I got a longer trip later in the day, but that'll be another video. Let's get this one out to mowing some yards. All right, on to our first pickup. Bad boy won't start. Don't have a lot of information. All right, I'm just going to let it out a little bit. I may have to move the truck up so I can get it I don't know. Yeah, I'll see. Let me see if this will work. See if that'll help. I'm gonna watch that roof. I think it's gonna make it. I believe I can see from up here pretty good, sir. Well, we're gonna be close. Maybe I can pull forward a little bit. It'll just drag that gate, but maybe a foot or two. Really have room. Now maybe. All right. They'll give you a call, sir. Thanks for giving us a call. Have a good day. All right, guys. Hey, I'm just leaving my 3rd stop of the day, the 2nd pickup I was going to do. Long story short, very valued customer, 77-year-old, extremely nice lady who lives alone now these days. Her family's been out of state for about 6 weeks. Who the son takes care of the lawn a lot. He had bought an Amazon belt for the deck, and it kept slipping off. So I got there. She cannot afford really to have her mower taken away and fixed up by a professional shop right this second. She hasn't got her check yet this month. I assume it hits on the 1st or something like that. That's when my military retirement hits. So I just looked under quickly. I saw the belt was off the PTO pulley, but it was outside the guards. So I routed it correctly back on the pulley and in the guards, and I went and mowed a few minutes and kept turning it, the PTO on and off. It stayed on for me for that few minutes. She was so happy. All she wants to do really is get her backyard mowed, and if it comes off after that, we'll readdress it, especially after the 1st or whatever. So y'all have been there. I could have just picked it up and brought it to the shop, but that would have caused a lot of stress on one of our valued customers who hope I got her taken care of to where she can mow the backyard. I'm no mechanic, but at least I can put the belt back on the PTO pulley. So let's get this bad boy back to the shop and go on with our day. Yes, sir. You're good.